Last time on Survivor, Jasmine Island.
If you got a red buff, you were on the Reckless tribe.
Reckless.
If you got a blue buff, you're on the Banshee tribe.
I'm doing it. That was hard. Done.
Banshee team wins tribal immunity.
We kind of made a little alliance, and we decided that we were going to vote at Allison.
Fourth vote, and the first person voted off of Survivor, Allie. Sorry, Allie, bring me your torch.
11 kids. 8 challenges. 1 birthday party. Who will win the grand prize and become our sole survivor? This is Survivor, Jasmine Island.
Challenge. Woo! Allie said
Allie already said that she didn't deserve to be here.
So she really doesn't, because
we took that in advantage, so we just.
And she said she can kill.
And she voted me.
And she said she can kill me with a cheese stick.
She can vote for one of them too. I'm like the team.
Just
captain.
leave out Gabby.
Yeah, she's athletic. She can help too.
We all know she's not going to be chosen. Yeah,
Secret.
when she voted Laria, that was a
we could tell
surprise.
who she voted for.
Because we all agreed on voting for Allison.
We stick to our word. Okay.
But it's okay though. She doesn't want my help, obviously.
She said that she wanted to go out.
And
didn't
she
say
literally said, "I don't belong here. I don't deserve to be here."
that. And
so
she said,
she
"I
does
can kill
it.
me." Bye bye.
Yeah.
No more questions.
Bye, Allie. We won't miss you. Just
we
kidding.
love you. You will.
I said just kidding.
I already know what happened.
Oh, I know.
I already know.
Allie voted Laria, the rest voted Allie.
Everyone voted at
They all
Allie,
teamed
and
up on Allie.
then Allie voted Rhea.
So that tells us that they're all.
Yeah, she was my biggest
She's the
threat if I went over there.
Oh no,
Kind of.
no. Because now
Kinda,
the team's
'cause-
gonna lose every time.
Yeah, that doesn't make it fun.
But then they probably gonna have.
But it's good for us for the next challenge. So
Well, they had about somebody.
Because she's too good.
It's true.
But then why would they?
But then they're gonna need her. Yeah. But they need her if she's good.
Yeah.
yeah, it's good for us. Honestly.
All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and take tribal immunity back from you. Sorry. Now this is up for grabs once more. The winner will get tribal immunity. Loser will go to tribal council, where one person will be voted off. What you guys are gonna do? You guys will take a tennis racket with a ball on it, and you will have to jump across these, walk across these, run across these, get over there as fast as you can. We will have another team member down there who will have to walk it back. Then you will add a second ball, and then you will add a third ball. Eventually you're gonna have to go all the way across these with 3 balls. First team to get 3 balls there and all the way back wins tribal immunity.
Okay.
If you drop a ball, you'll have to go back to where you started at with that ball, or if you drop 2 or whatever, you go back to where you started at and do it all again. Not from the very beginning, but from where you started with that tennis racket, okay? Blue team, you're going to have to sit 2 people out. Decide who that's going to sit out. All right, Jordan and Gabe will be sitting out. All right, now each team, you're going to have to send 2 people down to the other end. All right, both teams ready? Yeah. Go! Jasmine's taking a quick lead. Add a ball. Now you have 2 balls. Give the other one to her to hold on to. Oh, Thomas must have come back and start again. Reckless Tribe just took a quick lead on him after that drop. Thomas is back. Do the balance part. Thomas makes it. Did they catch up? Brooke's coming back with the 2 balls. Reckless Tribe is out in the 3rd ball already. Well, Brooke blew through it. She caught up quick. Reckless Tribe is on their way back. They'll find some 3. And Fancy Tribe is on their way back. It's a close one. It's a close one. Who got it? Oh, Reckless Tribe wins. Team Unity. All right, Reckless Tribe. You will not go into tribal council tonight. You are all safe. Head back to camp.
Okay, now we can talk a lot.
Fancy Tribe, I got nothing for you. Head back to camp. We'll see you at tribal council.
Actually, I feel like we're all aligned.
He at least tried. That's the only reason. I don't know who to choose. Everyone at least tried. Yeah, I think I'm going home.
You might hold me out since I dropped it.
Oh yeah, we need these. What are we doing? I need one. I like this. What are you scared for? We're all saying
All right, welcome to tribal council. Grab your torches, dip it in, and get fire.
Wait, what?
They're already on fire.
Can I?
In the game of Survivor, fire represents your life. When the fire goes out, you're gone too. All right, does anybody feel safe that you're not going to get voted off right now?
Raise your hand.
Nobody? Not even the
Nobody?
birthday girl?
You feel pretty safe you're not getting voted off right now?
Yeah. Just because I said that, don't vote for me.
Okay.
Does anybody feel like you probably are going to get voted off right now? Brooke, you feel like that you are?
Jasmine, you feel like you are?
Yeah?
Thomas, you feel like you are? Jasmine, because it's your birthday?
All right, so this could go any way. All right, let's do this. Gabe, you're up. All right, guys, we'll tally the vote. All right, guys, if one of you have a hidden immunity idol and want to play it, now's your chance.
I don't know what that is.
What, you don't have one?
All right, I'm going to read the votes. First vote, Gabe. Second vote, Jordan. That's one Gabe, one Jordan. Gabe. That's 2 votes, Gabe. 1 vote, Jordan. Gabe. That's 3 votes, Gabe. 1 vote, Jordan. The second person voted out of Survivor. Gabe.
Gabe.
That's 4 votes, and that's enough. I'm sorry, Gabe. Bring me your torch. Sorry, Gabe. Your tribe has spoken. All right. So the one person that said they were confident they weren't going to get voted out. So we call that a blindside, right? You guys blindsided him with that vote. He did not see it coming. Nice, nice. Trickery. All right. Head back to camp. Get ready for your next challenge.
Next time on Survivor, Jasmine Island.
That's why we're not very smart. We don't open up the key because we heard something in there. There's nothing there.
Yeah.
But it does open, but there's nothing in there.
We thought there'd be like an immunity.
And I think
Inside of the immunity.
Once you get the key, the right key, and you unlock the lock, inside that bag is a t-shirt. The t-shirt is frozen.